Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5020044. So if you're unable to download or install this update on your Windows 11 computer, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run update troubleshooter. Now for this, open Windows 11 settings. Now go to system, scroll down, click on troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters. Now over here you can see Windows Update. In front of it you will see Run option. Click on Run. And once the troubleshoot is complete, restart your computer and then update your Windows 11 once again. Still it's not installing. In that case, restart Windows Update and background intelligent transfer service. For this, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Now find Windows Update. Scroll down at the end. Over here you can see Windows Update. Make a double click. Make sure startup type is set to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. With Windows Update selected over here, click on restart the service. Now find background intelligent transfer service. Make a double click. Again set it to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. Now with this selected, now click on make a right click and then click on restart. Now once done, try to update your Windows 11 once again. Now still you are unable to update. In that case, use Microsoft Update Catalog. You can install the update manually. So go to this link. The link is provided in the video description. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here, write down the name of the update. So in my case, okay, this is the update, that is KB5020044. So write down the name of the update over here and then click on search. Now over here you will see the update. I have x64 base system. So download this update and then click on this blue hyperlink. Now this will download the update, this particular update, and once the download is complete, you can click on it, run this file and update this update manually. Now still you are unable to update. In that case, use Windows 11 installation assistant. For this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will again take you to Microsoft website. Over here you can see Windows 11 installation assistant. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. This will load Windows 11 installation assistant and then click on accept and install. Now still you are unable to install the update. In that case, you can reset Windows update components. For this, copy all these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So copy the commands till here and then open Notepad on your computer. Paste all the command in Notepad. Now go to file. Go to file, then click on save as, and you can set the location as desktop. Name this file as wuauserv.bat. For save as type, select all files. Now click on save. Now go to desktop, make a right click on wuauserv file and then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you're opening this file as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. This will open command prompt. First of all, it will stop all the Windows update services and then it will run some scans. Now there are a couple of scans, so the scan will take some time. Once the scan is complete, it will restart all the Windows update services. And once the process is complete, restart your computer and then update your Windows 11. So this process will take some time because there are a couple of scans. Once the scan is complete, it will restart Windows update services. And once done, restart your computer and then update your Windows 11 once again. Still you are unable to install, then the last step is to use media creation tool. So you can use media creation tool to update your Windows 11. Go to this website. Here also you will find media creation tool. click on download now, and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11 media creation tool. Now click on accept. By default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file, then click on next. You can save the location. You can set the location as desktop and then click on save over here. Now once the download is complete, click on finish and then go to desktop, find Windows ISO file, make a double click on Windows ISO file, then run the setup file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow. This will load Windows 11 now. And here you can see install Windows 11, click on next. It will check for update, then click on accept. Again, it will check for update. Now before the installation, you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install. After the installation, log into your computer. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.